The text-to-speech function on TikTok is both helpful and a great feature to create funny content. If you want to try it out, here's how. First, open the TikTok application on your phone. This will work on both iOS and Android versions of the app. Next, record your video. And once you're done, tap the text button at the bottom. Then type in the text you want. Once you're finished typing, tap anywhere else on the screen and then long press on the text box. A menu will appear with the option Text to Speech. Simply select that and you're all done. You can now use text to speech to make your content more fun and accessible. If you don't see the function on your TikTok app, then it must mean that this function is not available in your region yet, because this feature is currently limited only to some countries. If this video helped you out, make sure you click like and subscribe to watch other useful guides about all sorts of technology. Also, check out our other videos that we think you might like.